So what I came up with is like an endless runner, similar to Temple Run or Subway Surfer. So I said, how about we do that, involving something with ice? So like an ice skater. So an ice skater that's going through, just basically going over ice and dealing with ice concept. So you dodge ice blocks, you have to jump over black ice, and that's kind of the story I do have at the moment for it. It's still not really finished or much of it, but it is just a setup, I guess you could say. So it kind of does function already, even though it kind of looks a little wonky. So what it does is, at least at the moment, has a home screen, and when you play, it gives you these like 3-second heads ups, so I can't do much. And it does kind of have the basis where you have the 3 lanes like in the other games. You swipe left to right to dodge the blocks. And then I wanted to do a set of swiping up to, let's say, dodge the black ice, just to tap on the screen. Because I just think that for if you're trying to actually play the game physically, it just feels like a lot better just to tap, where you can tap and swipe.